Hey there, fashion enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive into the world of crochet fashion, specifically the Hexio Clock Romper. This unique creation is a crochet project that's been named after the famous Hexio clock. Now, I'm sure you're wondering how this project came to be. Well, let me tell you. It all started with a simple idea to create a crochet octagon shape. The Hexio clock romper is a baby pattern that I crocheted 10 rounds of, with the most important part being the fold and the granny square stitch pattern. To give this romper a more dungarees-like look, I crocheted together the top part of the romper. The result is a stylish and eye-catching piece that's perfect for any occasion. Thank you for joining me on this crochet fashion journey. If you enjoyed this project and want to see more, don't forget to follow and subscribe. Until next time, keep creating and stay fashionable.